Hello, my name is Mauricio Hernandez Granados, and today I'm going to show you how to build a basic circuit, but this time using Arduino and Programmer. First, you need to select and drag to the canvas the components Arduino 1, a green LED, and a resistance of a resistor of a resistance of 2220 ohms. Second, we need to connect the resistance on the Arduino's pin 13 here, and then connect the other side in the LEDs anode pin here. Third, the other pin of the LED must be connected in the ground pin of the Arduino microcontroller that is here in the ground GND. Remember that you can change the color of the wire, but now it's in black, so it's okay for us. The next step is to program. To do that, we need to click in the code button here. And we are going to start again, so we need to delete it. And then we are going to drag also in this section the following commands. Drag the forever command, then the digital drive that is in the output, and put it in height as it's here. Then we're going to put a delay also in the control section here, delay of 1 second that is here. Then we're going to duplicate it, paste it, but now we're going to put in to high to low. We're going to change it. Now we are going to click in the simulate command that is here to check if there is an error. So there isn't this isn't a error. It should happen, and that means that our program is right and is actually functioning. Thank you for watching this video.